Hampi. Mahanavami Dibbai. It was built during the Vijayanagara period by King Krishnadeva to commemorate his victory over Udaygiri in Odisha. It was here where the king of Vijayanagara used to celebrate the festival of Dashahara. Hemkutta Hills. The Hemkutta Hill has monuments with two monolithic Ganesha, the Kadalekalu Ganesha and the Shashivekalu Ganesha. The Kadalekalu Ganesha, named after Ganesha's gram-shaped belly. The Shashivekalu Ganesha, named after Ganesha's mustard seed-shaped belly. Shashivekalu Ganesha. Shashivekalu Ganesha is about 8 feet, 2.5 meters, tall. The inscription on the statue is as old as 1500 AD and says that this statue was erected in memory of the King Narasimha II of the Vijayanagar Empire. Badavilinga Temple. The Hindu deity Shiva is worshipped in the form of a linga. In this temple, the sanctum in which the linga is installed is always filled with water, as a water channel is made to flow through it. Narasimha Temple. The statue is located on the southern side of the Hemkutta group of temples that stand on the Hemkutta Hill. The gigantic statue was vandalized and mutilated in 1565 AD during the raid by the Mughals that led to the fall of the Vijayanagara Empire. Lotus Mahal. The Lotus Mahal is also called the Kamal Mahal or Chitragani Mahal. The Lotus Mahal was a part of Zenana enclosure, a place where royal families of Vijayanagara Empire resided. Lotus Mahal, designed as a palace for royal ladies of those times to mingle around and enjoy recreational activities. Elephant Stable. The elaborate structure indicates the importance attached to the royal elephants during those days. The other 10 domes represent the Islamic style of architecture. Queen's Bath. The private bathing chamber of the kings and the queens is rectangular in shape and is surrounded by ornate balconies, each having a set of 3 windows. The Queen's Bath is believed to be constructed by Achyutaraya for the women of the royal family of Vijayanagara. It is built in Indo-Islamic style. Purandardasa Mantapa. This is a small open pillared pavilion with whitewashed top dedicated to Purandardasa, who lived in Hampi. It is seen in the backdrop is the Anjanadri Hills. Purandaradasa, 1484 to 1565, was an Indian philosopher, a renowned composer of Carnatic music, a great devotee of Lord Krishna, a Vaishnava poet, a saint and a social reformer. Ahmad Khan tomb. Ahmad Khan's mosque and tomb is in the Islamic quarter and can be seen on the way to the Vijaya Vithala temple. The style of Muslim architecture has been followed here, though not completely. The style is called Deccani. Ruins of Hampi. In 1565, at the Battle of Talikota, a coalition of Muslim sultanates entered into a war with the Vijayanagara Empire, defeated them and killed Aliya Rama Raya. The city was pillaged, looted and burnt for 6 months after the war, then abandoned as ruins. Vijayanagara paintings. The Vijayanagar school of painting is renowned for its frescoes of Hindu gods and goddesses and scenes from Hindu mythology on temple walls and ceilings. Vijayanagar school of painting gradually evolved into many styles of painting in South India, including the Mysore and Tanjore schools of painting.